Creating different cable types. In the libedit, we can create different types of cables, for example, a coaxial cable. And here we can see the information, for example, a name, order number, and article number. We can also put in the price, the description, and some specific information. Here we have the frequencies, and we can fill in the attenuation at 100 meter of this cable. And there are already a few predefined frequencies, but some datasheets don't have these frequencies, so we can change them, for example, to 10 megahertz and 3 dB of attenuation, 100 megahertz, 9.8 dB. And we can see the calculation is done automatically, but for more accuracy, we can fill in more attenuations. So at 200 megahertz, it's 14 dB. At 400 megahertz, it is 20. At 1 gigahertz, so 1000 megahertz, it is 32. 2000 megahertz is 47, and 3000 megahertz, it is 60. The resistance, which is the loop resistance, so inner conductor and outer conductor together, we can put in the 112.5 ohm at 1000 meters, and if necessary we can change the line style, but in this case it's okay. And the cable reference for the connectors, so for example in this case we have an RG6. Okay. The outer diameter is 0.7 centimeters. And the cable is finished.